This day and age, as a content creator, as a business, as a blogger, you're always trying to save time. And I know if we're in these fields, we tend to like to learn new things, right? But sometimes we don't always have the time or the patience to watch a completely long YouTube video or read super long articles. Here's a Google Chrome extension, and it's free, that can help you do that with ChatGPT. That is the YouTube and article summary powered by ChatGPT. You just want to download it onto your Google Chrome. So I'm going to show you an example from my blog. So this is my actual blog. And when you have this downloaded, it's going to have the ChatGPT logo on the bottom right corner. So you're just going to click on this. Guys, it puts the article in here and then it summarizes it for you in shorter bullet points. So
like this.
for the second option, you can actually go to YouTube and it can actually summarize it for you. And what you can do is it's going to show up here. Okay. And then you're going to click this right here to view AI summary, your window in your ChatGPT, and look, it literally transcribes everything. And then it writes it into bullet points. And that's it. Voila. So it's super, super simple to use. I hope this is really helpful because sometimes you just don't have the time and you just need to learn what you need to learn. Be sure to follow me. I share more tips like this and more strategies on how to use ChatGPT and AI for your blogging and content creation.